Slowly climbing out of winter. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and no wintry weather this weekend. We had plenty of rainfall Saturday night into part of the day on Sunday. We're looking at our rainfall totals from that event, and we're generally between 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall. And we did have some areas of roadway flooding as we went through the overnight hours on Saturday into Sunday. And this good soaker here is actually putting us and keeping us above average for year-to-date precipitation. Between 11 to 25% above average is where we are, and that's coming off of the heels of 2018, where we were the wettest year on record in not only South Jersey, but New Jersey as well. Morning low at Atlantic City International, 39 degrees, and that's almost 10 degrees above average for this time of year. Like I said, climbing out of winter, and I pretty much said winter's going to be done by last Friday night, and that we have been here across the area. Nowhere near our records, 81 just 3 years ago. And look at our sunrise time, 7:16. But sunset time, 7 p.m. tonight. And we are getting brighter, of course. And this is a look at how we are going to continue to get brighter throughout the month here. So sunrise and sunset here. We go to March 18th. Sunrise is at that yellow line there, 7:04, and then 7:07 for our sunset on March 18th. So if you do notice, a good amount of daylight here. Then we get past the spring equinox. We are over 12 hours of daylight, and by April 1st, not only is the sunrise before 7 a.m., but our sunset is well after 7 p.m. as well. And with that comes a good amount of sunshine to enjoy this extra daylight that we have at the end of our day. High pressure is here in the southern plains, and where you're seeing the reds is our areas of higher pressure. And this loop takes you through Thursday. And look at this. High pressure pretty much moves in, settles in, and then gets out. But generally, we're in this red here through Thursday, and that will bring us plenty of sunshine as we go forward. Looking at our morning temperatures here in the 40s, climbing through the 40s and topping at around 50 degrees around 12 p.m. Of course, we're going to continue to go further up on top of that. We actually turn gusty as we go into the afternoon, but for some areas, I do think we're going to hit 60 degrees, probably in places like Deerfield or maybe getting into Buna. The closer to the shore you are, the cooler you are because of the ocean influence. We are close and we are in spring, really meteorological spring, which means that the colder ocean waters are making an impact. Gusts 30 miles an hour, yeah, enough to knock over maybe a empty garbage can or blow over some lawn furniture, but nothing severe by any stretch. For tonight, seasonable, clear for most of the night, then a piece of energy works through. Not going to bring any snow or rain our way, but it will bring a couple of extra clouds, and then those clouds fade away quickly into sunshine on Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid-40s, which is 5 degrees below average, but sun angles very similar to mid-October. And if you remember mid-October, you can get a burn if you're out there for a good amount of time. We will see that on Tuesday, and that means it will help to cut the chill. Mainland 7-day forecast. We are quiet here. Wednesday 51, Thursday 58, and then we go to Friday. That's our only blip in the radar here. We'll flip over to the shore 7-day. We are warmer and wetter. Cold front comes through. Doesn't look to be a washout, but we will monitor this as we go forward in time. Then as we go into St. Patrick's Day weekend, we turn cooler again, but we see the sunshine come on back. Temperatures in the mid-40s for St. Patrick's Day itself. For the latest in South Jersey weather, follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci. Of course, you can always come back to our website, thepressafac.com/weather for the 7-day forecast and other weather articles.